I welcome you to the channel. By the popular request, I will step by step and completely conduct a video analysis of USDT Binance token arbitrage circle with the Binance with a profit about 11% per circle, but there are restrictions in the form of free circles and a total amount of no more than $50,000. By the tradition, the sponsor of this video is our Twitter channel, in which you will find free bundles and valuable information, but there's even more relevant bundles and insiders information in our Twitter. For the purchase, write to the administrator. Remember, we never write first. There is scammers. And if you still have questions or want to discuss something, please pay attention to our chat where we can discuss everything with like-minded people except the politics. Let's get back to the practice. We switch to trading on the Binance and go to the spot market. We are looking for choosing Litecoin USDT trading pair. Choose a market or a market type of order. Copy and paste the amount of USDT. In our case, for clarity, it's $10,000. Then buy. The order has been executed. We go to the wallet, the fiat and spot section. Select Litecoin and click Output. We check the availability of coins on the spot wallet and switch to SyntyCoin. Click Get Started if there's no account and then we register. If there is, we log in. Select Litecoin and click Deposit, but before starting the circle, be sure to check the price by going to the Exchange tab. We need to find Litecoin. Make sure that it costs more here than the Binance. The difference now is little more than 9%. This is the spread. In other words, our earning. Go back to the wallet, select Litecoin and click Deposit. Enter the number of the coins that we both earned and click Get Address. Copy the address and go to the Binance. Insert the address, enter the quantity and output. Once again, we check everything and pass security check. The money have been sent and we are returning to the site. Click I paid, the money usually arrives from 3 to 7 minutes. You don't have to wait, I'll just come back. I will wait for the clarity. The money is already displayed on our balance. Let's go to the Exchange tab. We choose that we give Litecoin and get the USDT. The commission for the exchange is 0.3%. Enter the amount of Litecoin and click Exchange. The exchange was successful and we are returning to the wallet. Select USDT and click Output. Sign this is a fast network and what is important for arbitration that has a minimum commission. Enter the amount of USDT and now we need an address. For this we are returning to the Binance. Go to the fiat and spot wallet section. Select USDT and press Enter. We select the network in the same way copy the address. It is important that the network is the same here and here. Insert and send it. The money went to the Binance. Let's go to the transaction history and the withdrawal history. As you can see, the money have already been sent. Let's get back to the Binance and also go to the transaction history section. As you can see, the money was successfully credited to our balance. And at the same time, the net profit amount is to $1,977, or a little more than 9%. I remind you that you will find even more bundles in our channel. All the best, peace, and financial success. Good luck to everyone.